If you get the chance to spend any time with University of Tennessee freshman Lauren Potter, you will quickly find she is an avid runner. 19-year-old Potter has completed 5 half marathons in a little over 1 year.
Part of the reason I got into running was because when I played soccer for my high school, it was the first time I'd ever been benched the whole game.
The Memphis native joined the cross-country team the summer before her senior year. She soon found that running was an outlet that let her depend on herself before her team.
The race is all about you. If you can't do it, then it's nobody's fault but your own.
Potter says she enjoys running because it can be anything she wants.
It can be slow and relaxed, or it can be fast and intense.
An ideal run for Potter is a steady 5 or 6 miles. She says running is an internal battle, and after settling into cross-country, Potter soon wanted more.
5Ks weren't good enough anymore. I wanted the next best thing.
Potter completed her first half marathon, the St. Jude Half, in Memphis, Tennessee, on December 4, 2010.
Intensity in the starting line was phenomenal. I can't even describe it. It was so amazing. And then throughout the entire race, I had no expectations because it was perfect.
And she finished that first half marathon in 1 hour and 48 minutes, her personal record.
The only thing I wanted to do was just to sit down, and there's just this feeling of euphoria just because you've just ran 13 miles and my friends were all still asleep in their bed. And I just finished running a half marathon, and that's such an amazing feeling.
Potter's family has greatly influenced her running. Her mother began running half marathons 2 years before she started running. And brother and senior at UT, Chris Potter, began running because of his mother and sister's influence.
My mom went from being a power walking fiend to running everywhere too, so we just ran everywhere together. We would go on 4-mile family runs.
She always says, I'm not a runner, I just kind of make my way through it, but she's a lot more hardcore than she thinks she is.
Former Master Chief of the Navy and father Jeff Potter also has a history of running.
He ran when he was deployed a lot, so he was running on the ships and he was running on steel, and so that completely destroyed his knees. I had no idea he was a runner until recently.
In fall 2011, Potter started her first year of college at UT. By then, she completed 2 half marathons and was ready for a third. This time, Potter and brother Chris Potter signed up for the Nashville I Run for the Party half marathon. This would be Chris Potter's first.
I had no idea how to train for it, so Lauren took me under her wing and said, I do this is my thing.
Once the time came for the November Nashville Half Marathon, the brother and sister were up to running 8 miles in practice. Lauren reflects on a moment she won't soon forget from the race with her brother.
Mile 9, we put in our iPods, and the first song was The Adventure by Angels and Airwaves, and we're going up this hill. Right when we look at each other in this song, the guy says, he's like, and I cannot live and I cannot breathe unless you do this with me. I don't think I'll ever forget that.
And since that November 2011 race with her brother, Potter has completed 2 more half marathons. She now plans to run a full marathon in April 2013 while studying abroad in Paris, France. For TNJN, I'm Caroline Mullen.